In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Squarespace form submissions. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process that will help you manage your interactions effectively. First, we'll begin by navigating to Squarespace's website. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in. Use your credentials to access your Squarespace account. Remember, it's important to use the correct email and password combination that you've registered with Squarespace. If you've forgotten your password, there's always a helpful Forgot Password link available to guide you through the process of resetting it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now, what we need to do is find the Contacts panel. Focus your attention on the main menu, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, there are various options such as Pages, Design, Commerce, and more. What we need is the Contacts option, so go ahead and click on Contacts. Now you should see your Contacts panel. This area is incredibly useful because it compiles all interactions and submissions from your site visitors. It's the hub for maintaining and reviewing the data collected through forms on your website. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see options for different types of information you can view or export. What we're focusing on are form submissions. These are from the contact forms your visitors have filled out on your website. You should be able to see a list of submissions, typically organized by date or another sorting option that you've specified in your form settings. If you have numerous forms, you might want to use the filter options to locate a specific form submission quickly. This feature can be a huge time saver, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of entries. Keep in mind that it's essential to review your Squarespace form submissions regularly. By staying on top of these, you can ensure prompt replies to your visitors' inquiries and maintain good communication, which is crucial for building trust and improving user experience on your site. And there you have it, your form submissions at your fingertips, ready to be analyzed, exported, or simply reviewed as per your needs. It's always a good practice to keep these records organized since they can provide valuable insights into your audience's needs and preferences. Thank you for following along with this walkthrough on how to view Squarespace form submissions. I hope you found this guide helpful, making the process easier and streamlined for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials and tips, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below.